Welcome to English Listening Practice. In today's lesson, you will hear a story called My Trip to London. This story is perfect for students at the A1 and A2 levels. You will hear the story twice. The first time, listen without reading the text. Focus on understanding the story and practice your listening skills. The second time, listen again with the English text on the screen. This will help you connect the words you hear with the words you see. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Just relax and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin with My Trip to London. Hello, my name is Alex. I am 25 years old. I love traveling and visiting new cities. This year, I decided to visit London, the capital of England. I was very excited to see the famous places and meet new people. I arrived in London on a sunny morning. The first thing I saw was the big red buses and black taxis. The city is very busy and full of life. I took a taxi to my hotel and met the friendly driver, John. He gave me some tips about the city. Visit the Tower of London and enjoy the view from the London Eye, he said. The next day, I went to the Tower of London. It is a very old castle by the river. I saw the crown jewels. They are beautiful and shiny. I also learned about the history of the tower. It was interesting to hear stories about kings and queens. After visiting the tower, I walked along the River Thames. The view was amazing. I took many pictures of the river and the city. Then I took a boat ride. It was fun to see London from the water. I felt happy and relaxed. In the afternoon, I went to the London Eye. It is a big Ferris wheel. I bought a ticket and went inside one of the cabins. The view from the top was incredible. I could see the whole city. I saw Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, and many more buildings. It was a beautiful sight. That evening, I visited Covent Garden. There were many shops and restaurants. I watched a street performance. The musicians played lively music, and the dancers performed amazing moves. People were laughing and enjoying themselves. I felt the energy of the city. The next day, I went to Buckingham Palace. I saw the changing of the guard. The soldiers in red uniforms and tall hats were very impressive. I took some photos and enjoyed the ceremony. After that, I walked in St. James's Park. The park was green and peaceful. I saw many birds and squirrels. One evening, I went to a traditional English pub. I tried some local food like fish and chips. The food was delicious. I also met some locals. They were very friendly and talked to me about their city. We shared stories and laughed together. It was a great experience. During my stay, I also visited the British Museum. There were many interesting exhibits. I saw ancient artifacts from different countries. I loved learning about different cultures and histories. London is a city with a mix of old and new. There are historic buildings and modern skyscrapers. The streets are full of people from all over the world. I felt safe and welcomed everywhere I went. Before leaving, I walked along Oxford Street. It is a famous shopping street with many stores. I bought some souvenirs for my friends and family. The shops were open late, and the lights were bright at night. My trip to London was amazing. I saw many famous places, met wonderful people, and had unforgettable experiences. I enjoyed the culture, the food, and the beautiful sights. London is a city I would love to visit again. Traveling helps me learn new things and grow as a person. I hope to visit more cities in the future and continue my adventures around the world. Now let's listen to the story again, this time with the text on the screen. If you need help with understanding, you can turn on subtitles and choose to auto-translate the English subtitles into your language. Are you ready? Let's listen to My Trip to London one more time. Hello, my name is Alex. I am 25 years old. I love traveling and visiting new cities. This year, I decided to visit London, the capital of England. I was very excited to see the famous places and meet new people. I arrived in London on a sunny morning. The first thing I saw was the big red buses and black taxis. The city is very busy and full of life. I took a taxi to my hotel and met the friendly driver, John. He gave me some tips about the city. Visit the Tower of London and enjoy the view from the London Eye, he said. The next day, I went to the Tower of London. It is a very old castle by the river. I saw the crown jewels. They are beautiful and shiny. I also learned about the history of the tower. It was interesting to hear stories about kings and queens. After visiting the tower, I walked along the River Thames. The view was amazing. I took many pictures of the river and the city. Then I took a boat ride. It was fun to see London from the water. I felt happy and relaxed. In the afternoon, I went to the London Eye. It is a big Ferris wheel. I bought a ticket and went inside one of the cabins. The view from the top was incredible. I could see the whole city. I saw Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, and many more buildings. It was a beautiful sight. That evening, I visited Covent Garden. There were many shops and restaurants. I watched a street performance. The musicians played lively music, and the dancers performed amazing moves. People were laughing and enjoying themselves. I felt the energy of the city. The next day, I went to Buckingham Palace. I saw the changing of the guard. The soldiers in red uniforms and tall hats were very impressive. I took some photos and enjoyed the ceremony. After that, I walked in St. James's Park. The park was green and peaceful. I saw many birds and squirrels. One evening, I went to a traditional English pub. I tried some local food like fish and chips. The food was delicious. I also met some locals. They were very friendly and talked to me about their city. We shared stories and laughed together. It was a great experience. During my stay, I also visited the British Museum. There were many interesting exhibits. I saw ancient artifacts from different countries. I loved learning about different cultures and histories. London is a city with a mix of old and new. There are historic buildings and modern skyscrapers. The streets are full of people from all over the world. I felt safe and welcomed everywhere I went. Before leaving, I walked along Oxford Street. It is a famous shopping street with many stores. I bought some souvenirs for my friends and family. The shops were open late, and the lights were bright at night. My trip to London was amazing. I saw many famous places, met wonderful people, and had unforgettable experiences. I enjoyed the culture, the food, and the beautiful sights. London is a city I would love to visit again. Traveling helps me learn new things and grow as a person. I hope to visit more cities in the future and continue my adventures around the world. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story and found it helpful for practicing your English. Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.